Perfect. Just like so. And that's it. All right, so first up, we're gonna get these potatoes prepped out and start cooking. I'm gonna cut these up and make these really chunky. So you want these to be, you know, kind of wedged and then cut in half. You can have kind of different shapes. It's very rustic, just like that. Now, a little oil in this pan. And we're gonna kind of slowly cook these. You don't wanna add too much color too quickly because the starch is gonna stick to the bottom of the pan, but it's gonna get just ever so slightly messy since I didn't blanch these first. That can kind of get you ahead of the process. We're just gonna put these in when it's just starting to heat up and just kind of keep those cooking slow. Salt, and a really good helping of coarse black pepper, a good amount. And really the trick with these is to cook them slow and low for the first 10 minutes or so. Let them sort of start to cook through, get a little bit of color, and the last 5 to 7 minutes you want to crank up the heat and get a really nice golden brown. All right, so the potatoes are going. Now I'm gonna make a really simple like garden chimichurri with a few things that I got from the garden. So here I have some celery tops, a little bit of fennel, some basil, like last of the season basil, some fall basil, and then some chili peppers. And I'm gonna give these a good chop and make a simple like chimichurri vinaigrette. Let's give these a quick pass. Put a little olive oil into a bowl, good amount. We're gonna make this simple chimichurri. Everything goes in. Salt. Just a little bit of chili flake. And some red wine vinegar. And then give this a good stir. I mean, come on. Woo. Beautiful. Okay, so set that to the side. I'm gonna slice some romaine lettuce and I have a few Brussels sprouts. Nice and thin. Get your Brussels, same thing. And the potatoes just about are done. Just want to give you guys an idea on just sort of the crispy texture we're looking for. Just on the money with what I'm looking for. Okay. Exactly how I love potatoes for a potato salad. Nice and chunky. Last but not least, I'm gonna fry up an egg in my favorite little egg pan. A little bit of butter. And one thing I've been doing lately is torching these egg whites because it is one of my pet peeves. When there's a little bit of that raw egg white on top, I can't do that stuff. So I've been doing this instead of turning on the oven broiler. A little bit of torch action. Simple, and take it off the heat. Still sunny side, perfectly cooked. So I got my egg done, potatoes are ready to go. I'm gonna dress this, a little bit of olive oil, salt, a little bit of pepper, and we are ready to plate. All right, so first goes down is this thinly sliced lettuce, kind of like a little bit of a well. Perfect. A few of these warm potatoes, and then of course, your fried egg right in the middle, just like so. Some of that chimichurri to finish. And that's it.